Hello, easy life, happy life viewers. Welcome. How are you all? It's a long time seeing you all. Thank you for the support. Today, our video will be on tips on cursive writing, how to improve your writing. So, a person can be known by the beautiful writing he has. Yes. So now we have here. I'll be writing some alphabets. A, which has a starting connectivity and an ending connectivity. Every letter has two connectivities, starting and ending. So now you observe the letters I'm writing here on the book, the starting connectivity and the ending connectivity. For B, it is down one and the ending one is on top. So follow this rule for all the letters. C, D, E. Every letter has a starting connectivity and an ending connectivity. This is very important. This is the first step to be followed for a beautiful I can say beautiful handwriting. And handwriting tells about a person, right? So J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and finally Z. These are all the alphabets, 26 alphabets of English, where you need to have know the first step, that is connectors, the starting connectivity and the ending connectivity. So please try to follow these tips of mine, and if you like the video, please share, like and subscribe so that you'll be knowing the second tip of a beautiful handwriting. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.